How do we tell the difference between a device or a drop cable or a backbone component? Well, Ancor Marine does a great job of making that choice easy for us. This is an Ancor Marine 2-meter drop cable for a NMEA 2000 system. How do I know that? The ends of this cable are black. Very simple. Ancor Marine does a great job with differentiating those from backbone, because all of their backbone components, whether it's the T for the backbone, or if it's a power node, or if it's a terminating resistor, all of those have yellow ends on them. This, being a device, or this is a drop cable, is going to have a black end on it, which means it ties into the device location on the backbone. They do a really good job with making quality products. You can see inside here on the female side, it's got a gray O-ring in there to make sure that it's sealed. This side also has a flat right here on the male side, which fits perfectly into that O-ring and seals nice and tight when it's connected. The ends are nice and robust. They give it a lot of room for you to be able to grab and move these around and not actually bend the cable or appear at the connector. The drop cables are actually a smaller gauge wire. These are 22 gauge, whereas the backbone cables are an 18 gauge. Real quality stuff. All the pins and everything are set in there really nice. I could highly recommend Ancor products. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.